Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's the first video for the new year. Wishing you a prosperous 2023. Make sure that this year is a memorable year for you. A few persons didn't make it with us into 2023. All your loved ones that you love them, kind to one another. I wanted to start new year off with an unboxing with products that I've been wanting to try out, and I'm starting my year off with cleansing and keeping my skin intact, so good skin. So it is a Sephora haul, and these products are products that I've been eyeing for some time, and I decided that, hey, let's go ahead and try them. One word that I will sum up what I want my 2023 to be and what it will look like, or is consistency. So consistency is my word for 2023. So skincare, you know that's my thing. First item from the box is the now if I pronounce this wrong, Henriksen. Is it Henriksen lemonade smoothing scrub, and this exfoliates with AHAs and lemon peel extract. So this is a facial scrub, and you know, just to smooth the skin texture out, skin tone, you know, get those skin even skin tone. This was recommended, or who I've seen use this, I believe another YouTuber been using this, and I've been seeing her use it, and I like the results that it was giving her. I went ahead to try, since it's an exfoliator, I just went ahead with the mini size to see if I liked it. It does have a whole lot in there, so I can get a good use. And for exfoliating, you don't need to do this more than 2 times weekly. So hey, so we're gonna be trying this out. Of course, I'll definitely do reviews. I will do a routine with these products as well, but I will only do the routine when I've progressed using them a bit and I'm seeing the results. That is how I like to do my reviews, because I do my routine and do my reviews and let you know what has been working for me. So I believe that's the only way to be accurate for me to give a true review, and that's just me personally. Next, I am trying out this Supergoop Unseen sunscreen, and it has a SPF of 40 PA plus SPF 40. This as well, I did see another YouTuber influencer using this, and the reviews were good, so that is why I decided to try it. I am currently using another sunscreen, Neutrogena. It has been working great. So let's see if this works, and then if it works, of course, I'll definitely get a bigger one. The Neutrogena one been working great for me as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this. This is pricey, so mini size, that works. And then if I like it, then I know what I'll be going to. Then next, I have a few products from The Ordinary. I have been using some products from The Ordinary. I have a serum that I'm using. What else I have from them? Can't remember what else. The serum that I currently have from them, I am not so liking it. But this one is a brightening formula. So this is a moisturizer. Most of the products that I got for this haul are mainly for brightening and, you know, even skin tone and just to better your complexion. So this, I believe, is like a moisturizer. So I'm gonna be checking this out and see. And then I have this set, and I'm gonna explain why I had to get the set. So in this set, we have 4 items. And I have, let's go first with the cleanser. So I have the squalane based face cleanser and makeup remover. Yes, I've been hearing good things about this brand, also from The Ordinary. I've been hearing good things about this brand, and that is why I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and try these products, because I want to see if the things I'm hearing is true. And I wanted just to try new products for 2023, and you know, going to something new and see, change things up a bit, because sometimes your skin needs that. Next, I have the Ordinary ethylated ascorbic acid and this is a direct vitamin C kind of thing. This is like a serum, I would say. So that's that. Vitamin C, if you know me, you know well that I'm big on anything vitamin C, because I feel like it does so much for your skin, especially where brightening is concerned. And then this one is a caffeine solution, 5%, reduces appearance of eye contour and pigmentation of puffiness. Sometimes I get a little bit under my eyes there. So yeah, I didn't actually realize that this was a eye serum, but I'm not against it. I've been using some eye serum and I've been liking them. My go-to currently is the one from Clarins. So let's see about this one. And then my last and final is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. This toner has been making its way around town. It has been making its way around town. I am seeing where people are saying that they've been using it for different purposes, multi-purpose and stuff, and they're saying that it has been working for them, and the results that I'm seeing looks pretty good. So the toner, and it comes with a little sprout thingy. So the things that I've been seeing this toner for is of course not only for your face, so it helps to brighten the face. They recommend it for the face and the neck. It says do not use insensitive, peeling, or compromised skin. It says the bright set, because those are the stuff that I was focusing on. And in the set was the cleanser, the caffeine solution, the ethylated ascorbic acid solution. I like to say toner, but you know, and then the toning solution. I really was just trying to get some of these single-handedly. This in particular was sold out by itself at Sephora, and I was like, I need it. How can I get it? And I saw the set and I was like, okay, since I was already getting a few things, let me just get the set, except for the eye, the caffeine solution, or the one for the eye. But hey, we're gonna use them all because we want to see some changes in the skin, right? So back to what I was saying, this one was sold out single hand by itself. Not only are people using this for their face and the neck, like it stays, people are using it for their underarm. I've been seeing a lot of reviews where women are saying that they have been suffering with sweaty underarm or just hormones. For us women, we know some of us experience those things, especially if you have a lot of hormones. Myself, I am intrigued. I really want to try this and can't wait to see what it will do with my face as well. So that is it. I will of course give reviews. I will perhaps do a skin routine so you can see how I use everything and the results, but I will do that, you know, once I've started using the products for a while and I'm seeing the results. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. What products are you starting your year off? What products are you what habit are you trying to get into? Let's just get on this consistency journey together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe and check me out on Instagram, guys. Link in the description. Bye.